We recently got our house renovated, so we did a full dormer. So we actually went from a K to a full-size dormer. We went to so many different, contractors. Actually, we had someone who had started doing work for us, and he actually opened up the walls, and he just left. So he actually took some money, about $11,000, and totally left.
Just a complete gut and left.
Right. We talked about 10 different contractors. When we finally found Shell, which was about 4 or 5 years ago, and me and Ken, we started going back and forth in terms of the numbers, the drawing, and
You automatically felt comfortable with this company.
definitely, it's been amazing.
Amazing.
It's been amazing. You didn't feel that, okay, it's just, a stranger. It felt like a friend. Danny was very personable, very relatable, and it sort of made things a little bit easier for us, because we changed things a few times, and
He was so comfortable with it.
It wasn't
He's
a
like, okay,
problem,
no problem.
and very accommodating.
I can't say this enough. Everyone who came in, they did their job. They did it well. They cleaned up. Everything was neat and put back to where it was supposed to. I loved it. Down to every single person who came to work in here. We received the list of things that was going to be delivered. They were delivered on time. Denny checked every single time we had something come. He said, okay, it should be there. Like he was on point every single time. Every phone call was, this is what's coming. Next week you'll have this. Let me know how it is. Check on this. Make sure you do a walkthrough. It's perfect. The fact that we can call on Denny for any and everything was amazing. I cannot stress that enough, because sometimes you're afraid to call. You don't want to ask questions. He made it comfortable where we just, if whatever we needed or whatever questions, he had answers for. My experience with Shell, it was very open. I felt comfortable. I felt like our money was being well spent. So that's important. You can get any contractor to do work, but personable, on time, finishing is important when you're spending money.
And he called me before the weekend to say, have a good weekend.
I gotta get a group hug.
You're silly. Come on, group hug.
1, 2, 3.
Shells only.